Hi students, in this video let's discuss about social science map work. INC session, Calcutta session 1920 September, Nagpur session December 1920, Madras session September 1927. Next is about important centers of Indian national movement. First one is Champaran, you should mark in Bihar. Movement of indigo planters. Then Kheda, Gujarat, Peasant Satyagraha. Then Ahmedabad, it's also in Gujarat, cotton mill worker Satyagraha. Amritsar, it's in Punjab, Jallianwala Bagh incident, Chauri Chaura, calling of the non-cooperation movement. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Dandi, Gujarat, civil disobedience movement. Resource and development chapter map work, you should practice these soil regions. Then next one is about dams, major dams. It is given under water resource chapter. Salal Dam, it's in Chenab River, Jammu and Kashmir region, you should mark it here. Then Bakranangal, it's in Sutlej River, Himachal Pradesh region. Then Tehri, it's in Bhagirathi River, it is in Uttarakhand region. Then Rana Pratap Sagar, you have to mark in river Chambal, it's in Rajasthan region. Sardar Sarovar, mark near Narmada River, Gujarat. Hirakund, Orissa, it is in Mahanadi River. Nagarjuna Sagar, Krishna River, it's in Telangana. Tungabhadra River, it's in Karnataka. Hope you got it. Let's see the next chapter, agriculture. This is given in your book. So let's see the explanation of these map. First we shall discuss about leading producers of sugar cane. So sugar cane leading producer is Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Tea, Assam, West Bengal. Tea, Assam, West Bengal. Coffee, Karnataka, Kerala. Rubber, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Cotton, Maharashtra, and then Gujarat. Jute, West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. This is enough. Practice this map once or twice, then you will get a clear idea. And let's see the next map. This is the next chapter, minerals and energy resources. So let's discuss about iron ore mines. Mayurbhanj, you have to mark in Odisha. Dak, Chhattisgarh. Pajalia, it is in Chhattisgarh. Then Bellary, it's in Karnataka. Then Kudermukh, this is also in Karnataka. That's all. This is about iron ore mines. Next we shall discuss about coal mines. Bokaro, you have to mark in Jharkhand region. Raniganj, you have to mark in West Bengal region. Talchar, it is in Odisha. Then Neyveli, it is in Tamil Nadu. Students, I have given prescribed list of places in this video. So practice these places alone. It is more than enough. Let's discuss about oil fields. Kalol, it is in Gujarat region. Then Ankleshwar, it is in Gujarat region. Then Basin, it is in Maharashtra. Then Mumbai High, it's in Maharashtra. Naharkatia, it is in Assam region. You should mark here. Then Digbay, it is in Assam region. That's all about oil fields. Next is about thermal power plant. Singularly, you have to mark in Madhya Pradesh. Next we shall discuss about thermal power plant. Singularly, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Ramagundam, it is in Telangana. Namrup, it is in Assam region. So this is all about thermal power plants. Then nuclear power plants. Narora, it is in Uttar Pradesh region. So you should mark here. Then Kakrapara, it is in Gujarat region. Then Tarapur, should mark in Maharashtra region. Then Kalpakam, it's in Tamil Nadu. Next we will discuss about the next chapter, manufacturing industries. Let's discuss about software technology parks. Students, this is very important, so practice these places thoroughly. First one is Noida, Uttar Pradesh region. Gandhinagar, it is in Gujarat. Mumbai, it's in Maharashtra. Then Pune, you have to mark near Maharashtra. Then Hyderabad, Telangana. Bangalore, it's in Karnataka. Then Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Lifelines of national economy, major ports. So these ports are nearly in the southern regions. So you can easily remember the letter V. So you can mark easily. First is Kantla, Mumbai. This is Marmagova. New Mangalore, Kochi, Thoothukudi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, then Paradeep, last is Haldia. These are the major ports. Then international airports. Amritsar, we have Raja Jhansi International Airport. Delhi, we have Indira Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Chennai, Meenambakkam Airport. Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi Airport. So these are the international airports. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.